Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Premade meatballs. Premade meatballs are a fantastic shortcut for busy weeknights, offering a delicious and versatile meal solution. You can prepare them using several convenient methods, such as on the stovetop, in the oven, or even in a slow cooker. No matter which method you choose, it's crucial to ensure they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. For a quick stovetop method, begin by heating a large skillet over medium heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or your favorite sauce to the pan. Once warm, add your Premade meatballs, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Cook them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, turning them frequently to achieve even browning on all sides and to ensure they are heated through completely. Baking meatballs in the oven is another excellent option, especially if you're cooking a larger batch. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, arrange your Premade meatballs in a single layer on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Bake them for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until they are thoroughly heated and slightly browned, ensuring they reach that safe internal temperature. The slow cooker method is perfect for infusing your meatballs with flavor and keeping them warm for gatherings. Simply combine your Premade meatballs with your preferred sauce in the slow cooker. Cook on the low setting for 2 to 3 hours or on high for 1 to 2 hours. These versatile meatballs are delicious served with pasta, tucked into a hearty sandwich, or even as a crowd-pleasing appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.